Can attend racks on lush shift. Talk on my palms, big bird. Car get tapped, blow split. Side eye curls, it's crude, little bit. Can attend racks on lush shift. Talk on my palms, big bird. Car get tapped, blow split. Side eye curls, it's crude, little bit.
What's up, family? Welcome back to FullBasseAudio. Today, I'm breaking down the ultimate trap vocal chain, step by step, to get your vocals sounding crisp, wide, and aggressive enough to cut through heavy 808s. Let's dive straight into the plugins. Part 1. Lead Vocal Track. 1. Logic Gain Plugin. First, I use the stock gain plugin for gain staging to make sure the raw vocal isn't clipping before the heavy processing starts. 2. UADx LA2A Compressor. Next, the LA2A catches the initial peaks and smooths out the dynamics for a consistent performance. 3. Soothe 2. Then Soothe 2 instantly tames those harsh, painful resonance frequencies that often pop up when artists get aggressive on the mic. Part 2. Vocal Bus Processing. 4. Waves, Abbey Road, J37 Tape. Moving to the vocal bus, the J37 tape saturation glues the vocal layers together and adds subtle analog warmth. 5. UADx Century Tube Channel Strip. This strip gives us that expensive tube character and light leveling to make the vocal sound premium. 6. Soundtoys Decapitator. Next, Decapitator injects that gritty harmonic distortion and attitude every modern trap vocal needs. 7. Linear Phase EQ. I use the linear phase EQ for clean surgery, cutting out the muddy low-end frequencies without messing up our phase. 8. UADx Neve 1073. The legendary Neve 1073 brings beautiful preamp color, a sharp low cut, and a crisp high-end boost to help it cut through the beat. 9. Slate Digital Fresh Air. Fresh Air brings that modern, ultra-bright, radio-ready top-end air that defines the trap sound. 10. Waves De-esser. Our first de-esser steps in to control the sharp S and T sounds brought out by our high-end EQ boosts. 11. Waves PuigTech EQP 1A. The PuigTech adds expensive analog silkiness to the highs and a bit of weight to keep the vocal solid. 12. IK Multimedia T-Rax TR5 De-esser. A second de-esser is used here in series to clamp down on any remaining harshness in the upper frequencies. 13. Cymatics Origin. Origin adds a unique vintage modulation and a touch of chorus effect to give the vocal some extra wave and texture. 14. Waves Arvox. Arvox is the secret weapon. It slams the vocal right to the front of the mix so it sits perfectly on top of heavy 808/. 15. Pitch Shifter. I use a micro-pitch shifter blended in low to widen the stereo image and give us that huge, modern, wide vocal effect. 16. Acoustica Audio Coffee Pun. Coffee Pun adds premium preamp coloration and boosts the low mids at 200 Hz to give the trap vocal its body and chest resonance. 17. Waves H-Delay. H-Delay creates those clean, timed vocal throws and echoes that fill up the empty spaces in the instrumental. 18. Valhalla Vintage Verb. Finally, Vintage Verb wraps everything in a lush, spatial atmosphere to give the vocal depth without washing it out. Don't forget to visit my website, FullBasseAudio.com. I'll leave the link in the first comment or in the video description. Before and after demonstration.
Can attend racks on lush shift. Talk on my palms, big bird. Car get tapped, blow split. Side eye curls, it's crude, little bit. Could board my insane list. Though it be once, I don't flinch. Bank kept scroll. Same chance, sure get a stat. It's me. Can attend racks on lush shift. Talk on my palms, big bird. Car get tapped, blow split. Side eye curls, it's crude, little bit. Could board my insane list. Though it be once, I don't flinch. Bank kept scroll. Same chance, sure get a stat. It's me.
Now, let's hear how it transforms the mix. Here is the trap vocal completely raw and then fully processed.
Can attend racks on literature shift. Talk on my palms, big bird. Car get tapped, blow split. Side-eye curls, it's cute, little bit. Could board my insane list. Though it be once, I don't flinch. Bank kept scroll, same chance, sure get a stat. It's me. Can attend racks on literature shift. Talk on my palms, big bird. Car get tapped, blow split. Side-eye curls, it's cute, little bit. Could board my insane list. Though it be once, I don't flinch. Bank kept scroll, same chance, sure get a stat. It's me.
What a massive difference. If you want your trap vocals to sound like the pros, give this chain a try. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to FullBasseAudio, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one. Peace.